I found an abandoned Skyline and decided to restore it. The body was very rusty, but I am changing it part by part and have already finished the back of the car. The main problem is that there was nothing here, and I had to create this part completely. And I hope that the fender will fit exactly in size here in this place. I think I can start welding this part. Well, I disassembled my gas tank. Don't forget to subscribe. Here it goes like this. I wanted to make here a special mount so I can adjust something like that. Because of the fiberglass over fenders, I think that I will sandblast it and paint it. It will be looks great. As you can see, I welded the floor. Welded these pockets at the sides, made here some reinforcements like this and like this. It's look like original because of that. And also I make this part, but don't weld it yet. And this part is going here, something like that. And today I wanted to make this part, but I'm thinking how should I do this, and at this moment I don't know how should I do this. I think that I need to make something like this panel here and here, and then make it this and this places. Here I made this panel from one piece of metal, but I think that here I can't do this. So I decided to make it from 2 or maybe 3 pieces of metal. What do you think about the floor? This car is gonna crazy, I think. Here you can see that we have like new. I don't know, but I think that I made a mistake because I made here this hole and I don't know how to close it. I don't know. How should I do this? Maybe something like that. It's kind of difficult to do this because this place has this band, this band, so it's kind of difficult situation, I think, but it is what it is. So I'm trying to do my best and thinking about how can I make here some I don't know, I need to think. I made a mistake. I don't have enough sheets of metal, so I try to use all metal at maximum. I think that I can cut this sheet of metal by my mock-up and made a one part for all this place, here and here. Let's watch what came out of it. So it seems to be very difficult to create this part, difficult geometry. I'm wasting a lot of my time to create this corner. It's difficult for me. Wow, it was very difficult, but I made something like that. I don't know, what do you think? But I think that it's gonna be work. But here we have some problems. No, it's okay. It's okay. So, I think that we can weld it now. So finally, the rear part, back side of the car is ready. I'm already applied here the epoxy primer, and think that I can paint it. The interior of the car looks pretty good. Today I wanted to apply the seam sealer for whole welding places, and I think this car's gonna be crazy. What do you think, guys? Please write the comments below. I need your opinion, need your support. And now I'm thinking about the color of interior, the color of the body. Today's result is like this. All places where I was welding, I applied the seam sealer, and tomorrow I will end this work, I think. But I don't like how it looks, this seam sealer. It's not good looking. I don't like it. But after we paint it, I think it's gonna be crazy. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. See you in the next video, and I'm waiting your subscribing, waiting your comments. I think this car will be so good soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.